Hi everyone, let's discuss Trial Mara 2023 paper 1. Okay, question number 1, diagram 1 shows a straight line graph y over x against x squared, express y in terms of x. Okay, here we have straight line graph, so with big Y is y over x and big X is x squared. So first of all, we need to find the gradient. Okay, so gradient is m. Okay, y2 minus y1, this coordinate is 0, 5. y2 5 minus negative 3 over x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4. So here we have 8 over negative 4 equals to negative 2. Okay, so then we substitute into big Y equals to m big X plus c. Okay, big Y is y over x and big X is x squared. So we substitute y over x, m is negative 2, x is x squared plus c. Okay, here c, the intercept is 5, okay, plus 5. Okay, so then express y in terms of x, y subject, so all times x, y equals to negative 2x cubed plus 5x. Number 2, diagram 2 shows an arc JL which subtends an angle of 5.02 radian at the center of the circle K. The radius of the circle is 12.5 cm. Find the area in centimeters squared of minor sector JKL. Use pi equals to 3.142. Okay, so first of all, to find area, we have formula. Area equals to 1 over 2 r squared theta. So here the radius is 12, so you have to find the angle theta. Here to find the minor sector, so we need to find the minor angle. Okay, so theta here is 360, meaning that 2 pi. So 2 pi minus 5.02. Okay, pi is 3.142 minus 5.02. So theta is 1.264. Okay, so then we substitute here 1 over 2, radius is 12.5 squared, theta is 1.264. Okay, so the answer is 98.75 centimeter squared. Question 3, given A for 20 lies on the curve y equals to negative 2x squared plus 10x plus 12. Find A, the gradient of tangent to the curve at point A. So to find gradient of tangent, dy dx. Okay, so here we have y equals to negative 2x squared plus 10x plus 12. So to find gradient, so dy dx, we differentiate with respect to x, negative 4x plus 10. Okay, at point A. So A here is 420. So we substitute x equals to 4. So then we will get dy dx equals to negative 6. Okay, B, the equation of normal to the curve at point A. Okay, so to find equation of normal, we need to find the gradient of normal first. Okay, so the gradient of normal, we use gradient of tangent times gradient of normal equals to negative 1. Gradient of tangent is negative 6. Gradient of normal, we can find. Okay, so gradient of normal is 1 over 6. Okay, to find equation of normal, y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so y equals to mx plus c. At point A is 420, right? So we substitute coordinate x and y. So y 20 gradient is 1 over 6, x is 4 plus c. So then we will get c. Okay, c equals to 20 minus 2 over 3. So c is 58 over 3. So therefore the equation y equals to 1 over 6x plus 58 over 3. Question number 4. Encik Adi, Puan Balkis and Encik Chandran are 3 members of the first generation in an organisation. The constitution of the organisation stipulates that each member needs to recruit 2 new members. Assume that each member has successfully fulfilled the constitution of the organisation. A. if the total members of the organization exceed 12,000 for the first time in the nth generation, find the value of n. Okay, so first of all, we need to find out what the situation is. So here we have Encik Ali, Puan Balkis and Cik Chandran. Okay, so each member need to recruit the 2 new members. Okay, so Encik Adi recruit 2 members, Balkis 2 members, Chandran 2 members. Okay, so then after that pun 2 members each. Okay, so we can find out the types of progression here. Okay, so T1, okay, here 1, 2, 3, so 3. T2, 2, 4, 6. Okay, so T3, we have here 12, right? Okay, so then we can identify here, we have geometric progression. Okay, this is geometric progression with R equals to 6/3 or 12/6, which is equals to 2. Okay, this will cari total member, so Sn. For geometric progression, Sn is A, R power of n minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay, so kita kena guna ni lah. Okay, total member exceed 12,000. So meaning that as n exceed more than 12,000. Okay, so we substitute here. We already have the value of A and R. So we substitute into the formula. So A is 3. So 2 power of n, tak tahu minus 1 over 2 minus 1 more than 12,000. Okay, so then here 2 minus 1 is 1, 3. So here we have 2n minus 1 more than 12,000 divided by 3, 4,000. Okay, so tolak 1. 2 power of n more than 4,000 and 1. Okay, so to find n, kita kena logkan lah both side with log base 10. So here log base 10 to power of n more than log base 10 4001. Okay, so by using laws of logarithm, we can move in front and log 2 base 10. This one log 4000 base 10. Okay, so the rest kita buat calculation biasa lah. So n is more than log this one 4001 sorry 4001 divided by log 2. Okay, semua base 10. Okay, so kita dapat lah. So n is more than 11.966. Okay, so since of dia nak nth generation, n is number of generation. Okay, so meaning that n is integer positive. Okay, so then n equals to 12. B, hence find the difference between the total members of the organization until the nth generation and the number of members in the nth generation. Okay, the words hence here is very powerful, meaning that we need to use the previous answer. Okay, so before this, n we have equals to 12. Okay, so to find the difference between the total member, so kita kena carilah S 12. Okay, which is equals to A is 3, R power of n 2 power of 12 minus 1 over R minus 1, 2 minus 1. Okay, so this one is 12,285. Okay, lepas tu dia nak difference between total member dengan the number of member in the nth generation. Okay, kita kena cari T12. Okay, so formula dia AR power of n minus 1. So 3 power of R to n minus 1. So 12 minus 1. Okay, so kita dapat this one is 6144. So the difference, tolakkanlah. Okay, yang besar tolak yang kecil. So 12285 minus 6144, which is equals to 6141. Number 5A, find the range of values of x for the quadratic inequality negative x squared less than 1 over 2x minus 1. Okay, so this is quadratic inequality. So we start from the question negative x squared less than 1 over 2x minus 1. So this one all times 2, negative 2x squared less than x minus 1. So we have to convert to general form. So 2x squared plus x minus 1 more than 0. Okay, so we have to factorize 2x minus 1, x plus 2 more than 0. So for this, we have to sketch the graph. Okay, so this one, the roots are negative 2 and 1 over 2. Okay, here we have more than. So meaning that this area and this. Okay, so then we have two separate areas, shaded regions. So meaning that we have to separate range. So for the left one, x less than negative 2. And the right one, x is more than 1 over 2. So this is the range of values of x. B, given ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, derive the quadratic formula by using completing the square method. Okay, so we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. To derive the quadratic formula, given the clue complete by using completing the square. So we need to factorize a. Okay, so x squared plus bx over a plus c over a equals to 0. Okay, so we add with b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared. So here x squared plus bx over a, kita kena tambah b over 2. b adalah b per a, per 2. Squared minus b over a over 2. Okay, so plus c over a equals to 0. Okay, so we simplify a. Kat sini kita ada x plus b over a over 2 is b over 2a. Squared minus b over 2a squared plus c over a equals to 0. Okay, so a x plus b over 2a. This one kita buka bracket b squared over 4a squared plus c over a equals to 0. Okay, so then all divided by a. Kita dapat x plus b over 2a minus b squared over 4a squared plus c over a equals to 0. Okay, so ni x plus b over 2a squared ni bawa ke kanan ni. So b squared minus 4a squared minus c over a. Then kita samakan penyebut x plus b over 2a. B squared minus 4ac. Kita samakan denominator 4a squared. Okay, so then we square root both side to eliminate square. Yang ni kita nak eliminate, kita square rootkan both side. Okay, so here we have x plus b over 2a equals to plus minus sebab ada square root kan. So b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Okay, so this one is x bawa ke kiri ke kanan, so negative b over 2a. Okay, plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac, bawah pun kita square root 4a squared. Okay, so dah sama, negative b over 2a plus minus dia dapat square root b squared minus 4ac. Square root 4a squared is 2a. So tengok dah sama. So then x equals to negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, done, derive. Question number 6, diagram 3 shows triangle AOB and segment PQR inscribed in sector POR with center O. A show that angle AOB equals to 0.960 radian. Use pi equals to 3.142. Okay, so we have to show angle AOB. Okay, this one. Okay, we have right angle triangle here with adjacent 4 and hypotenuse 7. So adjacent and hypotenuse, we can use cos, right? Okay, so cos angle AOB, adjacent 4/7. So angle AOB, cos inverse 4/7 equals to 55.15. Okay, but we need to show in radian, so times pi over 180. So times 3.142 over 180. So kita kira, kita dapatlah equals to, kita boleh show 0.963. So shown. B, given the perimeter of segment PQR is less than the perimeter of triangle AOB, find the range of radius of the sector. Okay, so first of all, we can find the perimeter of AOB. Okay, this is the triangle, right angle triangle. So perimeter AOB, 4 plus 7 plus, to find AB, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, square root 7 squared minus 4 squared. So this one 11 plus 33. Okay, then to find the segment PQR, kita kena cari PR dulu. Ada banyak cara. Saya guna cara ni, potong dua potong dua ni. Okay, so kita cari ni dulu, X dulu. Okay, so tadi this one is 55.15 kan angle dia. Okay, so kita boleh cari X guna sin. Okay, so sin 55.15 divided by 2 sama dengan opposite is X over hypotenuse, dia punya radius. Okay, so X sama dengan R sin 55.15 over 2. Okay, so baru X. So kalau PR double lah. So PR 2 kali ganda. So 2R sin 55.15 over 2. Okay, so itu baru PR. Jadi kalau kita nak cari perimeter PQR, kita kena cari dia punya, itulah sekali dia punya arc length. SPQR. So equal, formula dia S equals to R theta. So R tak tahu, theta is 0.963. Theta. Sorry, R. Okay, so perimeter segment sama dengan 2R sin 55.15 over 2. Tambah dengan 0.963R. Okay, tadi dia kata ada words ni. Dia kata perimeter segment less than perimeter triangle AOB. Jadi kita gunakan statement tu lah. So kita ada ni. This one dengan this one kan. Okay, so 2R sin 55.15 over 2 tambah 0.963R ni less than 11 plus 33. Okay, so the rest you all simplify lah. Okay, yang ni kita cari ni kita guna calculator. Kita cari sin 55.15 over 2 times 2. Lepas tu tambah 0.963. So we will get 1.8888R. Okay, less than 11.33. Okay, so nanti kita dapat R is less than 8.865. Okay, Tapi, okey, kalau kita tengok gambar ni kan, ni ada 7 kan. Jadi radiusnya mestilah more than 7, right? So walaupun dia less than 8.865 tapi dia mesti more than 7. Okay, so ni dia punya range of R. Number 7, diagram 4 shows rhombus OPQR with angle ORQ equals to 60 degree. The diagonal OQ and PR intersect at point N. It is given that vector OP equals to vector P, vector OR equals to vector R, and magnitude vector P equals to 2. A, state the magnitude of 3 vector QR. Okay, so now given rhombus, so we must know the characteristic of rhombus. All sides are same, length dia sama. Semua side dia punya length dia sama. Okay, so then lepas tu two opposite sides are parallel. Another characteristic of rhombus. Okay, so then for A, nak cari magnitude 3 vector QR. Okay, vector QR, this one. So since of the rhombus, dia sama dengan vector PO. So equals to 3 magnitude vector PO. Okay, vector PO is vector P which is equals to 2 magnitude dia kan. So kita substitute je lah. So 3 times 2 equals to 6. Okay, tak kisah dia punya direction to opposite. Sebab dia nak cari magnitude. Magnitude dia sama je walaupun direction dia opposite. B, expressed in terms of vector P and vector R, Roman 1 vector OQ. Okay, so just now rhombus, so kita labelkan this one first vector R and this one vector P as well. So Roman 1 OQ. So we have to use triangle law. So OQ is OP plus PQ. Okay, so OP is vector P and OQ is vector R. Okay, so then jangan lupa tulis dia punya wave, mesti ada. Okay, so then Roman 2 Rn. Okay, Rn is this one. So half of Rp. So equals to 1 over 2 Rp. Okay, so same triangle law. Rp is Ro plus OP. Okay, so Ro opposite direction. Okay, so negative R. So this one 1 over 2 negative R plus OP same direction, so P lah. So this one is 1 over 2 P minus R. So kita just susun je lah 1 over 2 vector P minus 1 over 2 vector R. C, find the value of magnitude vector P minus vector R. Okay, so here kita ada vector P minus vector R. Kalau kita tengok from question B Roman 2, ni P minus R actually vector RP. Okay, so this one nak cari magnitude P minus R. Actually kita nak cari length of RP. So RP. Okay, so magnitude vector RP lah. Okay, so now given the angle ORQ 60, so RQ 60, ORQ 60, so half is 30. Okay, so ni kita kena tahulah characteristic of rhombus, all side are same. Okay, so 30, this one pun 30. Okay, so triangle, total angle is 180. So 30 plus 30, 60, 180 minus 60. Kita boleh cari ni, this one 120. Okay, rhombus tadi dia punya magnitude is 2. So semua sama lah, magnitude dia equals to 2. This one pun magnitude dia equals to 2. So kita boleh cari lah RP, okay, magnitude RP. So magnitude RP squared equals to 2 squared plus 2 squared minus 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, cos 120. So kita boleh cari magnitude RP equals to square root kan semua. So square root kan 2 squared plus 2 squared minus 2 times 2 times 2 cos 120 sambung Okay, so this one equals to 3.4641. 8A, diagram 5 shows 9 letter cards, cameraman. 3 letter cards are chosen at random. Find the number of ways to choose the cards. If the 3 cards include Roman 1, exactly 1 letter M and exactly 1 letter A. Okay, so Roman 1, here we have to choose. So kita gunakan combination. Okay, so we have M, 2M and A, 3A. Kita nak exactly 1M and 1A. Okay, so then 2 choose 1. A kita ada 3 choose 1. Dia nak 3 letter cards. Kita kena choose lagi 1. Okay, so yang the rest lah. Ada C, E, R, N. So ada 4, C1. Okay, so this one is 24 ways. Roman 2, at least 1 letter M. Okay, at least maksudnya 1 atau lebih. So 1M or 2M. 3M tak boleh lah sebab M ada 2 je. If 2M tadi kita nak choose 3 kan. So if 1M kita ada 2 not M. Kalau 2M ada 1 not M. Okay, so kita pilih 2C1. Okay, so tadi ada 9 letters. Okay, 9 tolak 2, 7 lah. So untuk yang bukan M, 7C2. O tambah Okay, so 2C2 times 7C1. Okay, ni kita boleh cari jawapan dia is 49 ways. 8B, diagram 6 shows 12 car parking space in an area. There are 3 cars need to be parked randomly on that area. Find the number of possible arrangement of the car if Roman 1 there is no restriction. Okay, so now we have 12 cars parking lot. Okay, kita nak arrange. Okay, nak arrange 3 cars. Okay, lepas tu tak ada restriction. So terus je lah kita ada 12P sebab arrangement 3 equals to 1320 ways. Roman 2, none of the cars are parked next to each other. Okay, so dia nak yang none park next to each other. So kita boleh guna semua, which is this one, minus yang park next to each other. So kita cari dulu yang next to each other dulu. Okay, park next to each other ada 2 situation. Situation 1, kalau semua tiga-tiga park together. Contohlah dekat sini. Okay, tiga-tiga dekat sini. So kita ada 3 parking lots, ada 3 kereta. So tadi arrangement P right. So 3 parking lot, ada 3 kereta. So 3P3. Okay, so tapi dia mungkin dekat sini, mungkin dekat sini. Or sini. Or sini. Ada 4 possibilities kan. 1, 2, 3, 4. So darab dengan 4. Okay, ini situation bila 3 kereta next to each other. Okay, so situation tu kita pertimbangkan kalau 2 kereta pula. 2 kereta. So ni kita padam. Okay, so kalau 2 kereta contohlah dekat sini. Ada 3 parking lot, ada 2 kereta duduk next to each other. So 3P2. Okay. So ada satu lagi kereta kan. Dia tadi 3 kereta, 2 dah letak sini. Ada satu kereta dia tak boleh letak sini kan. Dia mesti letak dekat tempat lain. So tempat mana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ada 9. Ada parking lot yang kosong. Okey, darab dengan satu kereta je tinggalkan. So 9P1. Okey, so situation tu yang 2 next to each other tu mungkin kat sini. Atau 2 kat sini. Atau 2 kat sini. Atau 2 kat sini. Or kat sini. Or sini. Or sini. Or sini. Ada berapa situation tu? Ada 8 situation kan? So kita ni darab dengan 8. Okay. So then ini dua-dua situation yang next to each other. So therefore kalau nak yang none next to each other, kita gunakan semua yang ni tadi kan. 1320 minus 3p3 times 4 minus 3p2 times 9p1 times 8. Okay, so kita akan dapat jawapan dia 864 ways. Question number 9. Diagram 7 shows the curve y equals to gx intersect the x-axis at point A, origin and point B. Given that the gradient function of the curve is negative 3x squared minus 2x plus 2, find the equation of the curve. Okay, so gradient function is dy dx, right? So A dy dx equals to negative 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. So to find equation of the curve, we need to integrate with respect to x. So dua-dua belah kita integrate with respect to x. Okay, so this one integrate dy dx with respect to x. Kanan pun integrate 3x squared minus 2x plus 2 with respect to x. Okay, so integrate dy dx is y. Integrate yang ni dapat negative 3x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared over 2 plus 2x plus c. Okay, c is x-intercept. Kalau kita tengok gambar kat sini, dia punya intercept is 0. Okay, so then kita boleh teruslah substitute 0 ataupun kita gantikan y0, c0 lah. So 0 equals to negative 3 over 3 0 cube plus 2, minus 2 over 2 0 squared tambah 2 times 0 plus c. So c equals to 0. Tak beranilah sekarang ni tak cari sebab SPM dia punya marking dia strict So kita cari je lah untuk selamat. So y equals to, kita simplify, negative x cube minus x squared plus 2x plus 0. Tak payah tulis lah. So this is equation of the curve. B, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, to find the area of shaded region, we can use formula area. Since of the limits are values of x, so kita boleh gunakan a, b, y, dx. Okay, so to find limits, limits are roots. Okay, roots for just now, we have equation from a, y equals to negative x cubed minus x squared plus 2x. So y equals to 0. To find roots, negative x cubed minus x squared plus 2x equals to 0. Kita boleh factorize negative x. So become x squared plus x minus 2. So negative x, this one akan dapat x minus 1, x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so therefore the roots are x equals to 0, x equals to 1 and x equals negative 2. So ni negative 2 lah. Ni 0. Ni negatif 1. Okay, so then we can find area. So area, we have to separate area here. So area equals to, integrate by using this one. So integrate from negative 2 to 0, function negative x cubed minus x squared plus 2x dx. Okay, plus 0, 1, negative x cubed minus x squared plus 2x dx. Okay, so yang ni kita tahu the area ni dekat bawah x-axis. So dia akan, value dia akan negatif, tapi area is always positive. So kita siap-siap letak modulus supaya kita tak lupa. Okay, so kita integrate as usual lah. Okay, so kita dapat kat sini modulus negative x4 over 4 minus x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared over 2. So negative 2, 0. Okay, plus this one, ni tak payah modulus lah. Negative x4 over 4 minus x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared over 2. So 0, 1. Okay, so the rest we just substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, walaupun dia 0 wajib ditunjukkan jangan nak skip. Okay, so this one quite long lah. So modulus, kalau 0 so negative 0 power of 4 over 4 minus 0 cube over 3 plus, ni boleh matilah tu ni. So 0 squared. Minus kalau negative 2, okay, negative 2 power of 4 over 4 minus negative 2 cube over 3, ni cube okay, plus negative 2 squared. Okay, so plus yang another area pula. So this one so 1 so negative 1 power of 4 over 4 minus 1 cube over 3, ni pun boleh mati. So 1 squared minus 0, masukkan juga. So negative 0 power of 4 over 4 minus 0 cube over 3 plus 0 squared. Okay, so ni kita guna calculator lah. Okay, so yang ni kita akan dapat ni 0 minus yang this part is 8 over 3. Okay, plus this one 5 over 12 minus 0. So just now kalau negatif kita kena positifkan lah. Negatif tu kalau value sebab dia under x axis, that's why dia negatif. Tapi kita nak cari area, kita kena moduluskan. So 8 over 3 plus dengan 5 over 12. So the area is 37 over 12. Number 10, solution by skill drawing is not accepted. Diagram 8 shows a line segment PQ. A, it is given that point S lies on the line segment PQ such that its distance from point P is 75% of length PQ. Find the coordinate of S. Okay, so ayat ni, point S lies on the line segment PQ such that its distance from point P is 75. So its distance, so maksudnya SP lah. So SP 70%. So 75 over 100 PQ. Okay, so SP PQ equals to 3 over 4. So SP3. Okay, PQ 4. PQ yang 4. So PS dah 3. So this one 1 lah. Okay, so kita dah dapat ratio dia. So to find S ni tak tahu XY. So kita boleh guna formula points divide internally in the ratio of MN. So S XY equals to, okay, kita buat satu-satu dulu lah. Okay, so this one 3 times 8 plus 1 times negative 4 over 3 plus 1. Jangan buat 4 terus, kena tulis 3 plus 1. Okay, so then 3 times negative 12 plus 1 times 4 divided by 3 plus 1. Okay, so the rest kita kira je lah macam biasa. So the answer is 5 negative 8. B, the shortest distance from point R to the line segment PQ is through point S. Find the equation of the straight line RS. Okay, so maksud shortest distance ialah perpendicular so ataupun 90 degree. So R2 ni dia passes through S. Okay, so ni 90 degree. S tadi kita tahu 5 negative 8. Okay, so then to find equation of straight line RS, kita kena cari gradient of PQ dulu sebab dia perpendicular kan. So then baru kita boleh cari gradient RS. So B, find gradient PQ first. So find gradient PQ ataupun PS, so boleh jugalah mana-mana. So ni saya choose PQ lah. So negative 12 minus 4 over 8 minus negative 4. Okay, so this one is negative 16 over 12. So negative 4 over 3. So this is gradient PQ. So gradient kita tahu dia perpendicular, gradient PQ times gradient RS equals to -1. So -4/3 times gradient RS equals to -1. So gradient RS equals to 3/4. Okay, dia passes through point S, right? So this is XY. So kita substitute into Y equals to MX plus C. So Y equals to MX plus C. Then Y is -8. M is 3/4. X is 5 plus C. So then kita boleh cari C is -8 minus 15/4. So C is -47/4. Okay, so therefore the equation is Y equals to 3/4x minus 47/4, or equivalent. 11a, the following is a false statement regarding arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that each term is obtained by multiplying a constant to the term before it. Write a true statement for an arithmetic progression by changing only one word from the statement. Okay, so arithmetic bukan multiply kan? So kita kena apa kalau arithmetic? Kita kena add kan? Okay, so kita kena change only one word. Okay, so then kita kena salin semua sekali ayat ni by changing only one word. Okay, so kita salin lah. Kita cuma tukar yang this one. Okay, multiply ni kita tukar kepada multiplying, kita tukar kepada adding. So the statement is arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that each term is obtained by adding a constant to the term before it. B. Diagram 9 shows a circle that will be divided into 15 sectors to form an arithmetic progression such that theta 1 less than theta 2. Roman 1, given that the angle of the largest sector is 38 degree, find the sum of the last 5 terms of the progression. Okay, so now we already given from the question arithmetic progression divided into 15 sectors. So meaning that n is 15. Okay, so then for this arithmetic progression, we don't know the value of A and D. So we have two unknown here. So to find two unknown, we need to create two equation to use simultaneous equation. So the first one, Roman 1, kita kat sini ada statement angle of the largest sector. So dia ada n equals to 15. So the largest, so T15 lah, equals to 38. Okay, formula of Tn for arithmetic progression is A plus n minus 1d. So A plus 15 minus 1d equals to 38. So A plus 14d equals to 38. So kita dapat A equals to 38 minus 14d. So kita baru dapat first equation. So tadi kita kata kita kena ada two equation untuk kita solve simultaneously. Okay, tapi kita tahu total angle ni sebab dia circle, so total angle is 360. So S15 lah. So S15 equals to 360. Okay, so kita masukkan dalam formula of S15. So this one 15/2 2A plus 15 minus 1d, so equals to 360. Okay, so this one kita simplify 15/2 2a plus 14d equals to 360. So kita divide by 15 times 2. So ni kita dapat 2a plus 14d equals to 48. So A plus 7D equals to 24. So then A equals to 24 minus 7D. So kita dah dapat second equation. So 1 equals to 2. So we have here 38 minus 14D equals to 24 minus 7D. Okay, so we have 7D equals to 14. D equals to 2. So kita boleh masukkan into any one lah, 1 or 2. Let's say I choose 1. So A equals to 38 minus 14 times 2. So A equals to 10. Okay, so next we have to find the sum of the last 5 terms. So kita tahu yang the largest one is 38. Okay, so sum last 5 terms. Okay, largest one is 38 kan. Okay, lepas tu yang previous one kita tahu D dia tadi 2. So mestilah tolak 2. So 36 plus 34 plus 32 plus 30. So equals to 170. Okay, yang ni sebenarnya kita boleh juga guna S15 minus S10. Tapi agak panjang lah. Saya prefer yang guna cara ni. So you all boleh cuba cara ni, nanti jawapan dia sama. Roman 2. There are other ways to divide the circle into 15 sectors. Find all the combination of the first term A and the common difference D such that A and D are positive integer. Okay, so untuk yang Roman 2 dia nak yang lain daripada D equals to 2 and A equals to 10. So tapi still dia punya total dia 360. So maksudnya masih lagi S15 equals to 360. Okay, so dia nak yang lain. Just now kita ada D equals to 2 kan. So kita kena cari lain lah. Okay, so mungkin orang lain ada cara lain, tapi saya terfikir yang cara listing je lah. So kita ambil yang lain. 1, 3, 4 and so on. So kita substitute into S15. So let's say D equals to 1. So S15 ialah 15 over 2 2A plus 14 times 1 equals to 360. So ni kita kira, kita akan dapat A17. Okay, so D2 tak payahlah, dah tahu tadi kan. So D3, so 15 over 2 2A plus 14 times 3 times 3 equals to 360. So then nanti A equals to 3. Okay, so when D equals to 4, 15 over 2, 2A plus 14 times 4. So equals to 360. So nanti kita dapat A equals to negative 4. Okay, so negative 4 tak boleh lah sebab ni angle kan. Mana boleh angle negatif. Jadi pasangan dia D1 A17 or D3 A3. So therefore D equals to 1A equals to 17 or D equals to 3A equals to 3. Question 12. Diagram 10 shows an incomplete graph of x for binomial 3p. A show that p equals to 8 cube root s. Okay, so now given binomial, we have formulated binomial px equals to r equals to ncr p power of r q power of n minus r. Okay, the value is for 0 and for 3. Then we have to show in terms of p subject. So meaning that we have to choose px equals to 3. So n is 3, right? So 3c3. P tak tahu, power of 3, Q power of 3 minus 3. So samakan dengan the probability is 512S. Okay, so this one C3C3 P power of 3, Q power of 0 equals to 512S. So ni satu-satu lah. So P cube 1 equals to 512S. So P cube equals to 5.2S. So then P bolehlah cube root. So cube root 512S. So cube root 512 is 8. So cube root S. So shown. So shown. B, you have to find the value of probability when x equals to 2. Okay, to find probability when x equals to 2, kita kena ada value of P and Q ataupun value of S. Ni satu pun kita tak tahu. So, kita kena cari dulu. So, another clue here, we have Px equals to 0 equals to 8s. So, kita kena cari dulu. So, Px equals to 0. 3C0, P power of 0, Q power of 3 minus 0 equals to 8S. Okay, so this one 3C0, P power of 0, Q power of 3 equals to 8S. Ni kita dapatlah ni 1, Q cube equals to 8S. So, Q equals to cube root 8S. Okay, so then cube root 8 is 2. So Q equals to 2 cube root S. Okay, so kita ada P and Q. So kita tahu the P plus Q is 1. So kita boleh campurkan lah. So P plus Q equals to 1. So then 8 cube root S plus 2 cube root S equals to 1. So this one 10 cube root S, okay, equals to 1. Okay, so then cube root ni ialah kuasa 1/3 kan. So S power of 1 over 3 equals to 1 over 10. So kita cubekan both side. So kita dapat S equals to 1 over 1000. Or equals to 0.001. Okay, 0.001. Okay, so then next find P, x equals to 2. So 3C2, P power of 2, Q power of 3 minus 2. So this one 3C2, P is 8 cube root S squared. Q is 2 cube root S. Power of 1. Okay, so ni dapat 3C2 8 squared. Okay, so ni S power of 2 over 3. Okay, so 2. This one S power of 1 over 3. Okay, so kita boleh simplify to 3C2 64 2. Okay, this one S power of 2 over 3 dengan S power of 1 over 3. Same base. So, power dia kita boleh tambahkan. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 is S power of 1. So, S je lah. So, the rest kita dah boleh masukkan value of S. 0.001. Okay. So, this one equals to 48 over 1 to 5. Okay, sebenarnya you all boleh masukkan je S kat sini kan. Kat sini ni boleh masukkan, tapi saya tak nak, saya nak simplify dulu baru masukkan, senang. Dapat cantik fraction dia tu. Number 13, given that gx equals to x plus 4 over 3 and f gx equals to 18 over 17 minus x. X is not equals to k. Find a Roman 1 the value of k. So for this question actually we have f gx given 18 over 17 minus x. Okay, so ni fraction so denominator cannot take the value of 0 So meaning that 17 minus x is not equals to 0. So x is not equals to 17. Tapi soalan tu dia bagi x is not equals to k. So therefore k equals to 17. Okay, so Roman 2 G5. Okay, so now we have gx equals to x plus 4 over 3. If G5, you just substitute x equals to 5. So plus 5 plus 4 over 3 equals to 9 over 3 is 3. Okay, Roman 3. The value of x when gx maps into itself. Okay, so gx maps into itself. Gx is this one. So gx equals to x plus 4 over 3 maps into itself to x lah. Okay, so then x plus 4 equals to 3x, then 2x equals to 4, x equals to 2. B, find fx in terms of x. So fx is from here. So nak cari fx, kita kena cari g inverse dulu. So here we have gx equals to x plus 4 over 3. So let x plus 4 over 3 equals to y. So then x plus 4 equals to 3y, x equals to 3y minus 4. So this is the G inverse. So therefore G inverse x equals to 3x minus 4. Okay, so kita substitute G inverse into fgx. Okay, so here G inverse x equals to berapa ni, 18 over 17 minus 3x minus 4. Okay, so ni G inverse dah tinggal fx je lah. So fx equals to 18 over 17 minus 3x plus 4. So this one is 18 over 21 minus 3x. Okay, this one we can simplify, all divide by 3. So this one is 6 over 21 minus 7 minus x. So ni fx. Okay, sama macam sebelum ni, the denominator cannot take the value of 0. So therefore x is not equals to 7. Kena state lah. 13c, hence by using composite function, verify that hx equals to 7 minus 6 over x is the inverse function of fx. Okay, so previously from B we have fx equals to 6 over 7 minus x. So to verify hx inverse of fx, kita kena tunjukkan yang hfx equals to hx equals to x. Dia sama dengan x tak? Kalau tak, dia tak inverse lah. Kalau sama, dia inverse. Okay, so first of all, we have to find hfx. So meaning that fx into h. So 7 minus 6 over 7 minus x. Okay, so this one is 7 minus 6 times 7 minus x over 6. So kita boleh eliminate. So 7 minus 7 plus x. Okay, so hfx equals to x. Ni baru hfx. So kita kena cari fhx. So h into f. Okay, so 6 over 7 minus 6 over x. Okay, so this one is 6 over 7 minus 7 plus 6 over x. This one equals to 6 over x. So then fhx equals to x. So sama kan? So equals to x. So then you are going to conclude. So therefore hfx equals to fhx equals to x. So proven lah. Okay, so kalau nak tahu complete yang lagi details, you all boleh tengok buku teks page 23 yang English. Question number 14a. A cylinder has a radius of 1 over sec 3 plus 1 cm and a height of sec 3 minus 1 cm. Find the volume of the cylinder in the form of a plus b sec 3 pi cm cube such that a and b are constant. Okay, so now given here is a cylinder and we are going to find the volume. So volume of cylinder is pi r squared h. So we just substitute the radius given is 1 over sec 3 plus 1 squared and h is sec 3 minus 1. Okay, so here is pi 1 squared over sec 3 plus 1 squared. So times sec 3 minus 1. So ni dapat ni lah 1 sert 3 minus 1 over this one kita expand, we will get sert 3 squared plus 2 sert 3 plus 1 squared. Okay, so then we simplify, we have pi sert 3 minus 1 over, okay, sert 3 squared is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2, sert 3. Okay, so this one we have to rationalize. Okay, so we need to times the conjugate. 4 minus 2 sert 3 over 4 minus 2 sert 3. Okay, so kita simplify lah the rest. Okay, so this one we will get pi. Okay, buat bracket dulu. So 4 sert 3 minus 2 sert 3 sert 3 minus 4 plus 2 sert 3. Okay, over ni A plus B, A minus B. So kita boleh dapat A, ni kita guna A minus B, A plus B become A squared minus B squared. Okay, so we will get 4 squared minus 2 sert 3 squared. Okay, so this one we simplify, we will get berapa ni? 4 and 2. So this one 6 sert 3. So 2 times 3. So 2 times 3, 6. 6 minus 4 is negative 10. Over 4 squared 16. 16 minus 4 times 3. 16 minus 12. Okay, 4. This one kita boleh simplify all divide by 2. Dan lepas tu kita susun macam yang dia nak. So this one become negative pi over 2 plus 3 over 2 sert 3 pi. B. Table 1 shows the number of population in a country year 2020 and year 2022. Population growth rate R in the country can be represented by R equals to 1 over n ln Pn over P0, such that Pn is the number of population in the current year, P0 is the number of population in the base year, and n is the number of years. Okay, find the growth rate in percentage for the year 2022. Okay, so for question B, we have R equals to 1 over n ln Pn over P0. Okay, so now we have 2020 to 2022. So number of years 2 lah. So ln Pn current year. So 3390000. Okay, P0 is base year 332000000. Okay, so you all just kira guna calculator 0.01043, tapi dia nak percentage so times 100%. So 1.043. Question C, diagram 11 shows Vanessa and Hazwan who are holding placards. Whose statement is true? Give your justification by using the laws of indices. Okay, so kita kena cuba dua-dua lah. So Vanessa first So Vanessa. Okay, so 5 power of 300 more than 3 power of 500. Okay, so this one kita boleh guna laws of indices. So 5 power of 3 power of 100 more than 3 power of 5 power of 100. Okay, so to eliminate the power of 100, so kita kena powerkan dengan 1 over 100, right? So 1 over 100. So this one 1 over 100. Okay, so then this one is 5 power of 3, 3 power of 5. Okay, so 5 power of 3 is 1 to 5. Okay, 3 power of 5 is 2, 4, 3. So this one wrong lah. Okay, so kita tengok pula untuk Hazwan. For Hazwan, Okay, so here has 5 power of 300 less than 3 power of 500. So 5 power of 300 less than 3 power of 500. So same. So we use loss of indices. Less than 3 power of 5 times 100. Okay, so tadi sama jugalah. Kita powerkan dengan 1 over 100. So this one 1 over 100. Okay, so this one 5 power of 3 less than 3 power of 5. Okay, 5 power of 3 is 1 to 5 less than 2 4 3. Okay, so this is a correct statement. Okay, so kita choose has one lah. So therefore has one. 15a, solve the equation 21 cos squared x equals to 8 sin x plus 16. Okay, so A, we have 21 cos squared x equals to 8 sin x plus 16. Okay, to solve you have to make it uniform first. So cos squared x ni kita boleh guna basic identity 1 minus sin squared x equals to 8 sin x plus 16. So this one 21 minus 21 sin squared x equals to 8 sin x plus 16. So we convert into general form. So become 21 sin squared x plus 8 sin x. Okay, 16 minus 21, so negative 5 equals to 0. Okay, so this one we can factorize 3 sin x minus 1, 7 sin x plus 5 equals to 0. So kita solve lah satu-satu. So the first one sin x equals to 1 over 3. Positive, so quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. So kita cari x equals to shift sin 1 over 3. So kita dapat reference angle. Reference angle. Wajib tulis reference angle, which is 19.47 degree. Okay, so x in quadrant 1, 19.47 degree. In quadrant 2, we have 180 minus 19.47. So 160.53 degree. Okay, tu yang the first one. The second one, kita ada sin x negative 5 over 7. Okay, ni in quadrant 3 and 4. So x sin inverse tak payah tekan positif. Nanti kita dapat reference angle sama dengan 45.58. Okay, just now kita identify it in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. So in quadrant 3, 180 plus 45.58 to 5.58. In quadrant 4, 360 minus 45.58 dapat 314.42. Okay, so kita boleh conclude lah. So x is 19.47 degree, 160.53 degree, 2 to 5.58 degree, 314.42 degree. Ni semua ada degree. Okay. B. Diagram 12 shows a vertical clock tower with height of h meters on a horizontal ground. A spotlight is at point D such that the angle of elevation of D from B is 25. Express tangent 25 in terms of h and p. Okay, so given the height ni is h. Okay, so we can find here tangent. Tangent 50 equals to opposite over adjacent, so h over p. Okay, dia nak tangent 25. Okay, tangent 25, we have double angle formula. So tangent to A equals to 2 tangent A over 1 minus tangent squared A. Okay, jadi kalau kita ada tangent 50 equals to 2 tangent 25 over 1 minus tangent squared 25. Kita nak tangent 25 as subject. So kita jadikan subject lah. Okay. So then tangent 50 is h over p equals to 2 tangent 25 over 1 minus tangent squared 25. Kita cross multiplication akan dapat h minus h tangent squared 25 equals to 2p tangent 25. Okay, this is quadratic, so kita boleh convert into general form. So h tangent squared 25 plus 2p tangent 25 minus h equals to 0. Okay, so ni kita boleh to find tangent 25 kita boleh guna formula. So A is h, B is 2p, C is negative h. Okay, so then tangent 25 equals to the formula negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So negative 2p plus minus square root 2p minus 2p squared minus 4a c negative h. Okay, bahagi 2a. A is h. Okay, so then the rest we just simplify this. So this one become negative 2p plus minus square root 4p squared plus 4h squared. Habiskan. Okay, over 2h. Okay, so this one negative 2p plus minus, kita boleh factorize this one 4p squared plus h squared, square root over 2h. Okay, so 2p plus minus square root 4 is 2 square root p squared plus h squared over 2h. So kita boleh simplify juga ni kan, all divided by 2 kan. So kita dapat negative p plus minus square root p squared plus h squared over h. Ni kita punya tangent 25. Okay, tapi kita tahu tangent 25 is acute angle. Jadi kalau acute angle in quadrant 1 tangent positif. So therefore kita tak boleh pilih dua-dua lah. Kita kena pilih yang positif sahaja. So therefore tangent 25 equals to negative p plus square root p squared plus h squared over h.